Hey guys, so it was another raining day at the GNS store, and this was in Seattle. Another rainy day at the store, and if you all remember, back in I think when Kendrick Lamar did a show in Charlotte, like like a week ago, it was raining. Now in Seattle, it was still raining, and Kendrick Lamar continued performing. The fans stayed. SZA performed in the rain, and it was just something else, bro. It was something else, bro. See dancing in the rain. Kendrick Lamar signed a fan GNS vinyl. So this was a fan. You can see the vinyl right here. See Kendrick Lamar signing right here, and obviously the rain. You see the wetness right there. Take a look. You can see him signing right there and giving the fan right. You can see him signing right there and giving the fan. So um, take a look. God Park Stadium in Seattle during the rain. During the rain, it was still packed. It was still packed. This was the pre-show. The stadium is already packed during the pre-show, right? Kendrick Lamar fans in Seattle are something else. They are built different, man. Under the rain, and in the pre-show, they're already out. They're already out. They're already out under the rain. Man, K-Dot fans are built different. SZA fans are built different. They are built different. Sold out at the Lumen Field in Seattle. Take a look at the sold out scenes. I got nothing else to say. Sold out. Another performance on the rain and the drink special at the stadium tonight. Can you add a drink special, like type of drink at the show that you want to listen to? This is for Umbo. These are drinks for monetaries. These are drinks for not like us. And a minor, there was a minor option also, non alcoholic. Man, bro, you're trolling at this one. You're trolling. Take a look. Non alcoholic. Top Dog Tini, Scrabble Up, Sangran. So these are drinks at the show. If you want to get any, tardy for tardy. I feel that this tour is gonna be raining. Like there are more rains to come because we are like in the rainy season. There will be more rains to come, and it seems there will be Kendrick and SZA are gonna be performing in the rain a lot. They're gonna be performing in the rain a lot. The crowd in Seattle singing back seats freestyle. Martin out of dream. This is them singing back Backseat freestyle. Performing TV of this is Man City. This is when I was performing Man City. Fireworks in Seattle. This is fireworks. Take a look. Take a look at the lightning, right? All the stars beneath the sun. Take a look at the lightning. Do. Raining.
Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Sing. Hey now, say now. Hey now, say now. Had a screen on the Dutch street. Heavy on the power time, everything text.
Man, I love this dancer. I love this dancer. Grand National Tour, Lumen Field sold out. Lumen Field. Lumen Field is sold out. Take a look. The Grand National Tour is here. There's not like a sold out Saturday night. Lumen Field posted this. They said the show is sold out. It's definitely sold out. So tell me down in the comment section below if you were there at the show. Were you there at the show? Tell me if you were not there, which one are you going to? All right.